Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Bluetooth Parrot headset. First, make sure your Parrot headset has a full charge to avoid interruptions during the pairing process. Next, power on your headset and activate its pairing mode, usually indicated by a flashing light. Then, navigate to the Bluetooth settings menu on your smartphone, tablet, or computer to prepare for the connection. Once in your device's Bluetooth settings, initiate a scan for nearby devices. Your Parrot headset should appear in the list, often identified by its model name, such as Parrot Zik or Parrot Minikit. Tap on its name to select it. If a pairing request appears on either your headset or your device, confirm it to establish the connection. This step usually takes only a few seconds. After selecting your headset, your device should indicate a connected status next to the Parrot headset's name. You might also hear an audible confirmation tone or voice prompt from the headset itself, signaling a successful pairing. If you encounter issues, ensure both devices are within 10 meters of each other and free from strong interference sources. A quick restart of both devices can also resolve minor glitches. With your Parrot headset connected, play some audio to confirm everything is working correctly and that the sound quality is clear. When you're finished, remember to disconnect it from your device to conserve battery life on both ends, which is crucial for long-term use. Regularly charging your headset and ensuring its firmware is up to date will provide the best possible experience and extend its lifespan. Enjoy your wireless audio.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.